Welcome back to my channel, Ben here, and as you can see I am back on the bike. So a little birdie told me that there's a road that has opened up on the other side of Pitt Lake, and it's called Widgeon Creek Campground. I didn't even know it existed until a few months ago. It used to be closed off because it was owned by some private owners. Now they've opened it up and you can essentially drive to the campsite, which is called Widgeon Creek Campsite. And I've been there in a few of my other videos where I kayaked across Pitt Lake to the campground. But in this case, I'm going to try and bike it and see if I can't just get there. Not quite sure how far away it is, but I got lots of battery and let's go check it out. Nice little sitting area. Minnekhada Regional Park. So there's an upper marsh and a lower marsh there. Yeah. It says dogs are welcome, of course, on leash. And it's just a beautiful hike. And once again, you cannot bike along the trail. I checked the signage. So just past a park called Minnekhada Park. And it's a beautiful hike. You kind of walk around a little water area there, or like a floodplain, I guess you would call it. And yeah, just about to hit a road called Quarry Road. It's just like a gravel, old logging road. And yeah, there's a lot of spooky houses off of this roadway that are like just big properties along here, especially at night. Yeah, that is a big bear and her cubs right there. Ooh boy. Yeah. The bears are out. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I just came across them. See if I can show you on my phone here. Ooh. There's the mom right there. Just peeking. Oh boy. Okay. Yeah. There's the bear. Hello, Mom. Ooh. Okay. That's close enough. Ooh. That's close. Close enough. I'm going now. Whew. Every time a car drives by, it gets super dusty. I should have wore some sunglasses. Rookie mistake. So I'm not sure that the locals around here are probably too happy about the area getting opened up for traffic, especially at the campsite, because this road is going to get a lot busier, that's for sure. Yeah, so every time I've come to this gate, it's been closed off from public access, and I'm just looking at it now and it's open. It looks like it'll take me right to the campsite. So let's check it out. Wow. Widgeon Regional Park. This is all new. This is cool. Phase 1 development. Vehicle reservations required weekends and holidays. Ha! Wow. So this is actually the gate that I used to drive up to, and it was always closed. It's weird to see it open, actually. Stay on designated trails. Huh. That's awesome. This is the new parking lot here. Cool. Couple of porta potties. Like some old abandoned properties over there. Huh. Cool. Huh. Definitely wide enough to drive on, that's for sure. Oh, and it's paved as well. Nice. Nice paved road. Oh, and then it's back to gravel. So yeah, it's just about 2 kilometers to get to the campsite. So I'm gonna truck along here, kick it into turbo mode. Awesome. This is such a beautiful bike ride. I've lived here my whole life, and I've never ever been on this trail on this side, ever. Meadow, 2 kilometers. This is absolutely beautiful. Okay, that is a big ass bear. That scared the living crap out of me. Well, I'll be honest with you. It's almost time for me to change my huggies on that one, because I almost went full throttle into that huge bear. It was like extremely close to me, and it's a big lad. So on my way back, I'm gonna have to be extremely cautious, because that's basically the 4th bear that I've seen up and around this area just on this road alone. So I think they just love this area. So I was just talking to another guy that was actually biking along here, not on an e-bike, just on a regular bike, and he was saying that it looks like you can continue along the road to the campground, but it says it's closed. So this will take me to like a marsh area. So I might just go just as far as the marsh and not to the campground. But I'm just biking along Pitt Lake here, and this is just a beautiful ride. Like, it's all paved. It's beautiful. I'll show you guys some more. It's great. So I just came across 2 really lovely ladies, and they said the name of that big old bear was Laverne. She goes by Laverne around this area. So they've got like some really expensive cameras, and they're just going to be taking some photos from afar, obviously, of Laverne. So they have a lot more courage than I do, that's for sure. There's so many like decent places to like camp. I'm kind of seeing, sort of. On the right side there's some marsh, but on the left side, I could bring my hammock tent around here somewhere and set it up. This is a beautiful bike ride. I'm just so happy right now. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Wow. It's like a picnic area here. Porta potties. Oh, a hummingbird just flew by. Look at this. There's a bike rack. It is beautiful here. Wow. This is where the marsh area is, looks like. Closed off. Nice. Oh. Well, I didn't have space for my stove. I was going to cook something, but Just got a sandwich from Save On Foods. Just one of these lumberjack sandwiches, and they are pretty good. I'm just looking at the road to the campsite. I don't know how far away the campsite is. I'll look at the map after this. I don't think it's very far, but it says road closed. I think that's to vehicles. So I'm gonna go check that out and see. Man, that bear, I'll clean my lens here. That bear scared the living crap out of me. I almost went right into her. It's crazy that they're all out and about looking for food after they hibernated. So I have to be so careful on my way back. Well, I'm mowing away at my lunch, and look what is meandering over this way. I'm gonna have to move quickly. Very playful. If he starts coming my way, or she, I'm gonna have to pack up here and head out. Huh. Well, it looks like the area is closed for now, so obviously I'm going to respect that, and then probably just head back. I have to be cognizant of the bear that's over there still, because he's not that old of a bear, but he can still do some damage. He's just meandering around. Not really a concern for me at this point. Very lackadaisical. There he goes across the grass. Well, I can definitely feel a change in the temperature, and I'm seeing some rain clouds coming as well, so I got a bit of a bike ride to get back, so I think I'm gonna jump back on the trail and head back home. I'm so glad I went to go check this out. It is a beautiful trail, and they're doing a lot of nice work in this park. I'm going to be very cognizant about my bike ride back. I don't want to bike right into any sort of bears along the way again. I've seen so many so far. Yeah, so I'm going to head back, but thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you did enjoy it, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.